Discover the mesmerizing art of crafting realistic ocean waves. With UV resin in our latest tutorial, dive into a world where art meets nature. We unveil a new trick to elevate your resin creations. Join us as we bring the beauty of the ocean to life through the magic of epoxy resin. Let's make waves together. At first, prepare our UV resin with white color. Then pour the resin in the specified space you want to fill with bubbles wave. Fill the specified space carefully. Remember safety first. Don't work with resin without your safety set. Now with the magic trick. Mix water and dish soap quickly to generate soap bubbles. Take only bubbles from the top and put it on the white UV resin. Use UV LED wisely to cure the magic stabs. Complete the bubbles to the end of the space. Then cure the all space with UV LED. Remember to subscribe to my channel and like video. This support me to make new videos. And you can visit my shop. You will find link in description. Now dry the area gently using soft, clean tissues. And make sure that there aren't any water remaining. Now complete the wave's shape using transparent UV resin. Then put some of white UV resin on the top of it. Fill all the space to complete your magic art. Clean any unwanted stuff. Blow them to create the wavy magic, then cure it using UV LED. Now we install the handle using UV resin. This makes the tray more beautifully. Install the other handle. Finally, pour a layer of clear epoxy resin to protect all the magic we had done. This time I used 99% alcohol to kill all bubbles. Voila, this is my best part. Demolding the magic art from its silicone mold. Tell me in comments, what are your opinion for that tray? I wish that you loved it as I loved it. Thanks for watching this video and I hope you liked it. If you have any questions, leave it in comments, like this video. Subscribe to channel and take a look at the other videos. Hope to see you soon. Stay safe. Bye.